Hey, welcome to Horse Retirement Adventure. Today, I'm going to try to take out some of these dark scratches I have in my boat from putting it back on the trailer. Sometimes you hit the docks and you get some dock rashes. I took care of the dock rashes on the other side with this product right here. It's called Scratch Erase Kit. It's basically for cars, but I tried it on my boat on my dock rashes. And here, I got some dock rashes right here I'm going to try to get rid of. I'll try that first. See those right up in here? That's from hitting the dock. So I want to try this product. It's called Magic Scratch X. And I want to put it on my, back up just a smidge, make sure you can see it perfectly. There we go. I want to put it on my drill and this little sponge thing. Shake this up. I want to see if I can get these scratches. You can see all these scratches here. That's just from rubbing against docks. I think they call them dock rash or whatever you want to call them. I call it bad boating on my part. Without putting, you're supposed to put your bumpers out. I get lazy. I don't do that. So I get a little scratches. So I just put a little bit of this on this pad. Just like that. Okay, again, Scratch Erase Kit. It's for cars, but I've been doing it on my boat. And I just rub some of that stuff in on here on these scratches. That ought to be good enough, I would think. And then we'll see if they disappear. I'm gonna go with my full speed. Tell you what, I got one that's really bad right down there. Then you put this little polishing cloth on there and polish it off. Boy, that hurt from back a little bit. I want to go down on my knee. All right, well, I took off most of it. It didn't do as good a job as it did on the other side, but that's a gouge. That's why. That's a scratch right in the old boat. And so is that one. That's where I must have hit the pretty hard. But it got the big scratches off. It got the dirt off really well. And here's another one right over here. You can see that little one right here. See if I can get it off with this. I'm gonna put a little more of this stuff on there and see if that works. Okay, right here's the scratch. Oh yeah, look at that. So if you got a lot of scratches on your boat like I did, look at that, I just took that scratch right out. Okay, here's another scratch I'm going to try it on. This one here is a little more dominant, I would think. It's a big scratch. So let's see, if this stuff works on here, then I would highly recommend using this for your boat scratches. Okay. Again, I'm just going to put it right on the pad. I got some on it right now, but that's a big scratch right there. So let's see if we can get this off of there. Okay, so far it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit harder right in this area, see if I can get all of it off of there. I think it's coming off, guys. Look at that. Whew. I mean, it disappeared. And that was a deep gouge. Okay. Well, let me tell you something, folks. That product, which is called, again, Magic. Actually, it's not Magix. I don't even know how to pronounce that name. MEGUIIRS Scratch Eraser. Quick, finds scratches, blemishes, and removes blemishes, scratches on your cars and your boats. That's it right there. And you can see, just look at that. Look how pretty that is. Now I'm going to put some wax on all the scratches I got off. I want to put some wax on it so I can protect it, because I think it takes the wax off a little bit. So it's got to. And I got some more of these I'm going to work on right up in here. Then I'm going to wax on it. And let's see what it looks like after I put some wax. But it looks pretty good so far. I'm going to try it on, see where this, like a line of dirt. I mean, I've washed this stuff, but you get this kind of dull stuff on your boat, mostly from the rivers and stuff. And after years and years, that just kind of stains. I'm going to try it on that. So let's try that right now, matter of fact. Hold on. Stay right there. I'm getting the product. Here I come. So let's just take this from here to here and see what it does. I mean, that's pretty ugly looking. And I've washed it many a times, even with bleach and everything. Try to get that off. So let's see if this product works. Okay, scratch right here. Get that scratch right out. I got some more stuff. I got a scuff over here. Okay, now let's go back to this. I just want to see if it brings back the whiteness. Okay, let's get the polish cloth and see what it looks like. Well, that looks like a huge, you know, I'm going to do my whole boat. Look at the difference that that product did to get, I mean, I've worked on this. I sprayed bleach. I mean, boat wash. And this product, look at that. Look how good that is. Holy mackerel, I'm going to do my whole boat with this. Takes the scratches right out of there. And the sponge that's been in there forever, look at that. That's brightened it right up. All right, I highly recommend this product. Get this, clean your boat every day, get your scratches out. It works, and it works fantastic. All right, I'm not catching fish, so I did a product commercial. Okay. Hi, Chris. Miss you, buddy. Paul out. All right. I got some of this stuff left on here. I want to try the bottom part where it rubs coming up the bumpers and stuff. See if that works. Look at that. It disappeared. You look at that. That's fabulous. Let's wipe off some of the excess. I didn't add any more on there. I just used the pad, what I had left on the pad, and look how clean that got. Man, I thought about trading in my boat, but I'm not going to anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this product. Fast and Easy Lucas Slick Mist. I use that on my black truck all the time. Speed Wax. I've already put some on here. So I'm gonna spray everything that I took off with my Slick Speed Wax, and then that'll protect the finish a little bit better. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. I think that is a great product. If you have, like I said, if you got a dock rash, scratches, or black marks on your boat, that product works fabulous. You need to get it. Get you a DeWalt 24-volt power drill too. I mean, that works perfect. So anyway, thanks for watching. Paul out.